than an adventure. You! Too happy I'm here, understandably. Wow, so I'm a few centimeters away. 20 centimeters away, guys. It's okay, mate. I think you're a female. Look at those claws. Oh my goodness. He just gave me such a fright. Real dragon is going on. Just beautiful. About to tackle this. I have no choice. I've just come down a crazy, one of the craziest, the second craziest road I've encountered, and I've just had to keep going. That was totally insane. That was so, I'm in shock. I'm exhausted. That was so freaking scary. To not go over the edge, to not bounce over the edge. Oh my god. Those grooves. Oh, I can't even talk. I'm glad we survived. We survived. And now the road has improved drastically. My god, I am not going back that way. I never want to see that road ever again. Ever. I won't be. Unless I'm in a different vehicle. The car could have tipped over that way and also that way off the edge. Oh no, don't tell me. Oh, the road looks like it's gone cray again. Oh. Great for dirt bikes. Oh god, I'm exhausted. Well, yeah, it's definitely not as bad from what I can see so far as what it was just back there. Oh my god, nothing could be as bad as that. That was insane. Oh, so many kilometers to go. Oh man. Oh my gosh, that looks like the ground. Oh, thank God for that. Just went over some, I can't even explain, just insane. Real four-wheel drive fun. I don't even know how I'm doing this. How am I doing this? Practice, I guess. Yeah. Good boy. Oh, I can see the ground. I can see ground level. Okay. Alright, hanging in there. Where are you, boy? Hey, good boy. Yeah. Almost through it, almost through it. Not there yet, though. Gnarly road. That's not a road. There should have been a warning sign for this track. Seriously. You're hiding back there. I don't blame you. This has been insane. Can see the ground, can see ground level. Oh my goodness, I can't speak anymore. Gotta go. Wow. I have no words. This road now has a different name, I think, so good. I'm off the crazy road. I've been on this crazy, I was gonna say adventure, it's more than an adventure, for 8 kilometers, going in a very slow pace. I even put the car into second and first gear at one point. I've only just put it into drive now. I have had witnesses, which I'm happy about, because this is no small feat what I've done. I had 2 guys coming up on their dirt bikes. These roads are perfect for that. And they were like, woo, you, you, and I was just smiling, shaking my head like, wow, what am I doing? How have I done this? More like, it's crazy. This is crazy. It's crazy back there. And they would have gone up that road if they don't know that road. They probably know it already. And they're probably like, geez, how is she doing that? How'd she do it? Definitely. How did she do it? How did I do that? How did I do it? Still got more to go. But I have a good feeling that I've done it and I've survived, and I'll be on my way to the town soon. This track really should have had a warning sign. This is the second gnarliest, crazy, insane road I've ever been on. There is one that beats it, tops it, and I should really make that episode. Yes, we're involved in that one. Thankfully, not today. Jeez, how have I managed on? Just the bumps are fine. It's the grooves and the dips and the choices you have to make. If you don't make the right one, you'll tip over, or you'll go over the edge, or the wheel will spin and you'll end up stuck, or you'll just end up stuck and damaging the underside of the car and the chassis and blah blah blah. Let's not go there. It's all been fine, and it takes a lot of concentration, and I'm quite exhausted now, and I deserve a medal, and I'm going to stop talking and continue. Gnarly. Deliveries, packages, yeah. Yes, with these tracks, and to get yourself down, if you're ever in a situation like this, you have to plan ahead with every step you take. You've got to be paying attention, planning, thinking ahead, and you often are faced with situations where there's massive grooves, huge like holes and dips, and it could end not well, but you've got to make critical decisions and choices in the moment, and it's something. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment. 8 kilometers later, the road has still been having its moments. Hopefully now it's all good. I can see the ground. I can see flat ground. Massive field. What the heck? Whoa, there's a huge hole there. Okay, good example. There's a hole in the earth. I don't know. That is dangerous. My wheel would have just gone over it, but yeah. You wanna be paying attention. I am paying attention. Okay. Bye for now. Skills. That gnarliest, top of the list, gnarly, crazy steep, tiny, thin track that had a warning sign, track from hell. If I hadn't have conquered, slayed that road that had trees falling down on it and everything, and I had no reception. If I hadn't have slayed that road, I don't think I could have done what I've just done. So it just goes to show, yeah, nothing goes to waste. Everything has a silver lining, and never a dull moment. Never a dull moment. Oh, the bus, she's a mess. If it wasn't still in, just. Okay, bye. goodness. Oh my goodness, boy. Wow, what have you got? What have you got? Dang. Hear that? I've been following the sound of water flowing. There's a waterfall down there. How do I get down? Tell me how. Carefully. Backtrack a bit. It's so cool being up high with the trees. I've decided I can't get any closer to the edge without it being very dangerous. It's slippery, it's wet, it's mossy. It's not a good idea. I'm about 1.5 meters, 2 meters from the edge. Oh, huge tree. Yeah, and my boy, he's really excited. He keeps running like, yeah, it's very thick here, and I'm wary of you know what. So thick. We've been walking through that. Very long grass up to my head in height. I think that's the stuff that cut me. There. Yeah, it's beautiful. I can't get closer. I wonder if I could figure out how to get down there. What's that sound? Well, we found the waterfall. Back we go. Hi. Hello. Aloha. I really need pants for this expedition. I didn't know what it was going to turn into. I had no idea. Oh. Going through the bush. Charging through the bush. Whoa. Something ouchies on my back, gotta keep moving. A touch fell on my leg. I thought it was, I don't know, a snake or something. Because I wasn't looking, I was looking the other way. Oh. It's not a big tree. Oh, jeez. Ouch. Quiet boy, calm down. Any more blood? Just scratches. Hey, Wait, stay. Let's get it. How beautiful is that? It's more green to the eye than it is on camera. Oh no, not on the beautiful mats, darling. Good boy. Okay, how about over here, hey? Yeah. Yeah, I was just walking through, I took a step and there was a vine, really, really thin, didn't even see it. And then it was covered in barbs and it just cut into my leg. As you can see, it's very painful. Time to clean it. It looks pretty cool. Almost looks like a tattoo. Oopsie daisy. Oh yes, we've done it.
That's because I'm a genius.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you so much.
You got plenty.
Blessing, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye. It's getting dark. What's the time? The sun just went down. It's 6:10. Feeling good. I just want to lay here all night. Guess what we've done again? It's happened again. Again, it has happened. Corrugated roads, dirt roads, bumps, slipping and sliding. Not really the slipping and sliding, I wish. But, hectic. Hey boy. Oh, it's going to take me so long to sort it out. Hopefully not too long. Yep, definitely need a couple more Oki straps right there. Yes, I do. I know what I need. I really do. I didn't used to. I do now. Comes with age. said the wise sage. Oh, it's been a long day. So much driving. Time to get to work. Oh, I forgot to mention, I just saved my boy from a red-bellied black snake. I pulled him away. He was chasing it as it went into the bushes. It was huge. It was the biggest one I've seen. But yeah, it was all good. He obeyed me, he listened, and I taught him afterwards. Explained to him what was going on. Like, he wasn't in trouble, but they're dangerous. To stay away, danger can hurt him, everything like that. He understands English, and can hear thought, telepathy and all that. It's a beautiful day. Anyway, I've got to get to work now. Shush! Shush! Ay, caramba! Isn't it beautiful? One of the lyrebirds left it for me. They visit me every single morning, just outside the car where I'm standing right now. Right here. Isn't it beautiful? My first lyrebird feather. Actually, it's my second, but the other one is not the same, it's different. Stunning. It's so gorgeous. I'll find more too. Look at those colours. Wow. Hey boy. Oh, you see me? He was on the other side, outside the car, just doing what he's doing. And my boy smelt him, just made a little sound. And I looked out. I heard him first, heard the leaves, and I looked out and saw him. Him or her? Beautiful. Just hanging out. Oh, I'm so tempted to pick you up. Hi. Oh my goodness. This is unheard of. Hey. Animal whisperer. Specialising in reptiles. That's me. He's big. biggie. I think I can hear another one. Yeah, it's cool and shady under there, isn't it? See you soon. Okay. Hey there, Goanna. Good boy. Shh, I know, it's very big, isn't it? Big one. Very good boy. There he goes, off he goes. Look at this guy. Hey! It's literally just here. What's he doing? Wants me to feed him or something? I shut the door and then I hear him creeping back over here. There's no food here. He keeps hanging out like right here and on the other side. What do we have here? We've done it again! Nice. Add it to my collection. Added. Probably thinking, what is she doing up here? What the heck is she doing up here? I haven't seen her before. What's she doing? Well, I'm adding bird cars to my collection. They're going in a museum. Bird cars. Australian bush. Bad view, eh? Oh, it's windy. You probably can't hear what I'm saying, hey?